Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my live recording session. I'm your host Gnez-Trader, and I just want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor or anything related to that. I just post videos for educational and entertainment purposes only. With that being said, let's get into the video. So today's video will all be about one trade. So the S&P 500 started with a gap up. So normally I would search for stocks with a gap up and going an entry to the downwards movement. So as you can see, I started with Tesla, but however, Netflix was also showing something the opposite way. So started with a gap down going upwards, and therefore I also set up a trade for Netflix going long. And Tesla didn't go short. Netflix, as you can see over here, Netflix made a huge move onto the upside, and therefore I closed and Tesla because it didn't hit the entry and also reversed on that same time. So therefore I was only considering Netflix for today's trade. As you can see over there, I already moved my stop loss. From that point on, I thought the S&P 500 or the Qs will still go downwards for some at some point, because it started with a gap up. So therefore I just wanted to make sure that I will still get enough profit, and that's why I moved my stop loss to a better position, so I would gain more profit if it would turn back on me. And as you can see, looking at the Qs and the S&P 500, it gave me the confirmation that it will turn around, and therefore I closed my trade over there, taking up $187 for today's trade. Amazing trade on Netflix, no complainings, anything else. And that was basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, smash that like button and do not forget to subscribe for more content like this. Also, if you have any other questions or anything to say, let me know down below in the comments. I will respond to every comment of you. And again, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.